Hello and welcome in new video. Xiaomi 12 Ultra is the next ultimate flagship from Xiaomi. So what we will have in the box of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra and what is the price of the upcoming device. Before we start, don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe for the channel. Xiaomi will announce the 12 lineup at the end of this year. Here we have three devices: the Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro and Xiaomi 12 Ultra, the ultimate flagship from Xiaomi this year and for the next year, also for 2021 and 2022. So the box will include a plastic case, manuals, the fast charging adapter, 120 watt. This is the fastest charger ever, and for sure a USB Type-C cable for charging. This is all the stuff that we will have on the box of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. The price of the device will come at the range of $1,200. For more videos, don't miss to put a like, subscribe for the channel, and see you on the next one.